Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart or the long-term chart of Alaunos Therapeutics INC, and this stock is probably giving you the lifetime opportunity because the low it has tested was the same low that it has tested in 2008 2009. So we are testing the same kind of lows and we are getting the similar kind of opportunities or discount that we have got 12 or 13 years or 14 years back. And most importantly, if this works out the same way it did in the past, then obviously you are here for a good bet. So let's start analyzing the long-term chart of Alaunos Therapeutics INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Right now, you don't even need to do anything. You have to wait for the stock to settle down and make a green candlestick. Okay. So what do we have here? We have two most important levels to look at. We have 0.51 above which the stock must sustain, or 0.52 the stock must sustain, or once the stock started sustaining above 0.52 it will become much more beneficial for the trend and for us also as an observer. And you have your stop loss at 0.42. Please do not go below this level. This is going to be your strict stop loss on the downside, so please do not go below 0.42. Now once the stock started sustaining above 0.52, that's where the momentum or the game begins. Okay, we are going to wait for the stock to sustain or surpass 0.52. Once that happen, or whenever that happen, the next two target, because we are looking at the long term, the next two target we have here will be 1.3 and 1.61, right? This is going to be our next two targets on the upside, and you may also add 2.13. So this section or this range is going to be the next three targets that we are going to look at moving forward. And actually there is one more, because we cannot, so there is one more, and which is 2.68. So these are going to be the next four targets that we are going to look at. Now beyond 2.68 there will be another section that will open up for you. So beyond 2.68 we have 4.25, then we have $5.9 and the big target of 7.93. Okay, and as of now we are considering this section as an extension because the stock has a history to test 7.9 in 2011, then in 2015, then in 2016, in 2017, and it tested, nearly tested in 2019. But this section beyond 7.9 don't have any history, so consider this as an extension. And if there is a move beyond 7.93, then we will go for $14. But anyways, the range or the section that we are going to look at over here is this highlighted section, right? And we are at the lowest end of the range, and that's where the actual profit lies. And if the stock is going to move the way it did in 2009 and 2011, then you can simply see and observe what we are looking for, or how big the trend is going to be. And only one thing that we need to do over here is to, number one, we must not go below 0.42, and number two, we will wait for the stock to retest 0.52 and sustain above that. Once that happens, then you are here for a big ride on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for